Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Today's topic is permutations and combinations, and your question is, in how many ways can the letters of the word permutations be arranged if there are always 4 letters between P and S? So you have to permute all the letters of the word permutations under the condition that there should be always 4 letters in between P and S. Now first of all we are going to see that how many letters are there. There are P, E, R, M, U, T, A, T, I, O and S. So there are 12 letters are there. So since all the letters are not distinct, 2 T's are repeated. So we can choose these 4 letters in different ways. So we are going to make cases on the choice of these 4 letters. Let us take our first case. We can choose these 4 letters like 2 T's. हम दो T's select कर लेते हैं and we can choose 2 other letters. In this case, the total number of words, such words will be, सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, P और S आपने फिक्स कर रखे हैं, you have fixed P and S, and between P and S 4 letters में से आपने 2 T सेलेक्ट कर ली हैं, you have selected 2 T's. Now P and S are gone and 2 T's have already selected for these 4 letters. Now from the remaining 8 letters, you are going to choose 2 letters. First of all, you are going to choose 2 letters from the remaining 8 letters. आपने 2 letters suppose, क्योंकि P और S ऑलरेडी आपका फिक्स्ड है कि भाई P और S के बीच में आपको 4 letters सबसे पहले चूज करने हैं, जिसमें से आपने 2 T सेलेक्ट कर लिए हैं, तो रिमेनिंग 8 letters में से सबसे पहले आप 2 letters चूज करेंगे. Since they all are distinct, both are distinct, तो आपको कुछ ऐसे letters मिल गए होंगे. Now in the next step you are going to permute these 4 letters. इन 4 letters में आपको 2 T एक जैसे दिख रहे हैं, तो the number of ways in which we can arrange these 4 letters will be 4 factorial upon 2 factorial because 2 T's are repeated. Now अब आपने ये वाले चारों letters को arrange कर लिया. Now we can interchange P and S in how many ways? In 2 factorial ways. 2 positions are there and 2 letters can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. अब आपने क्या किया है कि P से S तक के इन 6 letters को you have already arranged. So considering these 6 letters as a 1 letter, आपके remaining 6 letters और लिखे हुए हैं. And you have considered the set of these 6 letters as 1 letter. So now you are going to permute these 7 letters, and these 7 letters are all distinct because क्योंकि जो repeated T थे वो already इसके अंदर आ चुके हैं. So now the number of arrangements in which we can arrange these 7 letters, 1 letter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 7 factorial. We can arrange 7 distinct letters in 7 factorial ways. So these are the total number of ways in which we can make such arrangements in which both T are inside P and S. Now consider case 2. In the case 2, let us consider that between P and S you have taken 1 T and 3 other letters. तो इस केस में अगर आप इस तरह से 4 लेटर्स की चॉइस करते हैं the total number of such words will be, सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, बिटवीन P एंड S यू हैव टेकन 1 T, एक T आपने सेलेक्ट कर लिया ऑलरेडी, तो अब आप दूसरा T तो सिलेक्ट कर नहीं सकते, तो P और S और दोनों T को छोड़ के फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग 8 लेटर्स यू आर गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट दीज 3 लेटर्स। आप सबसे पहले ये वाले 3 लेटर्स सेलेक्ट करेंगे फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग 8 लेटर्स, एंड दैट कैन बी डन फ्रॉम इन हाउ मेनी वेज, 8C3। 8C3 वेज में आप फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग 8 लेटर्स यू कैन चूज 3 लेटर्स। अब आपके पास ये चारों लेटर्स आ चुके हैं। नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू परम्यूट दीज 4 लेटर्स इन हाउ मेनी वेज, क्योंकि ये चारों डिस्टिंक्ट है, इसमें 2 T नहीं है, एक T अंदर है, एक T बाहर है, सो दे ऑल आर डिस्टिंक्ट, सो दे कैन बी अरेंज्ड इन 4 फैक्टोरियल वेज। Now P and S can interchange their positions in how many ways? 2 factorial ways. Now considering these 6 letters as one letter, we are left with remaining 6 letters. So there are 1 T is here, 1 T is outside. So now we are going to permute, we are going to arrange all these 7 letters. This is, we have considered the set of these 6 letters as one letter. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, और अगर इन 7 में देखा जाए तो all the 7 letters are distinct, यहाँ कोई भी repetition नहीं है, एक T ऑलरेडी अंदर सेट हो चुका है, तो there is only 1 T outside. So there are no repetitions in these 7 letters. So they can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. And this is how the words, number of words which in under such condition. Now we are going to take another case in which no T will be there, no T inside, and all 4 other letters. तो आपके P और S के बीच में चारों other than T letters आपने सेलेक्ट किए हैं अगर, then the total number of ways, the total number of such words will be, तो आपने क्या किया है, P और S के बीच में यू हैव, जो आपको 4 लेटर्स चूज करने हैं उनमें से एक भी T नहीं लिया है, तो यू आर डैम श्योर दैट बोथ द T's आर आउटसाइड। तो जब आप P और S को और दोनों T को छोड़ देते हो तो you are left with 8 distinct letters. So first of all, from the 8 distinct letters you are going to choose 4 in between P and S. Now you are going to arrange them, since all the 4 letters will be distinct, so they can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Now P and S can interchange their positions in how many ways? 2 factorial ways. Now आपने ये वाले भी अरेंज कर दिए सेलेक्ट करके और इन सब का अरेंजमेंट कर दिया है. Now considering these 6 letters as one letter, there are 2 T's and 4 other letters will be left outside. And now these 7 letters can be arranged in how many ways? अब इन 7 letters में आपको 2 T एक जैसे दिख रहे हैं. So they can be arranged in 7 factorial upon 2 factorial से आप डिवाइड करेंगे क्योंकि 2 T's are there. So these are the number of words under this condition that there will be no T inside P and S. So the total number of, hence the total number of arrangements, the total number of required arrangements will be, If you are going to add the answers of 1, 2 and 3, you will get the number of words which can be made under the condition that there will be always 4 letters between P and S.